This neighborhood is one of San Diego's best kept secrets. You're right between South Park and North Park, so you've got the best of both worlds with local coffee shops, awesome food, and parks that make you want to stay all day. For example, Montclair Park is just around the corner. It's the kind of place where neighbors actually know each other and families bring their kids to play and people walk their dogs. There's always something to do there. And of course, we have Morley Field. It's just a few minutes away. There's tennis, there's hiking, trails, and a dog park. Parents especially love this because McKinley Elementary is nearby and a sought-out school for many families that have small children. And location-wise, you're close to downtown, the Naval Medical Center. Coronado Beach is just a drive across the bridge. It's central and convenient. Still, that small neighborhood feel. Now let's go inside. It's a classic craftsman with tons of character. You've got beautiful cove ceilings, double pane windows, and this awesome built-in hutch in the dining room that gives it the old school charm with modern updates. The chef's kitchen, totally remodeled, ready to cook in. You've got French doors from both the kitchen and primary bedroom and open right onto a huge deck, perfect for relaxing and entertaining. The backyard is seriously a dream. It's low maintenance and beautifully landscaped, has a pool and a koi pond. Just imagine evenings out here. Downstairs is a great media room that opens up to the yard. And if you're thinking ahead, there's room to add a bathroom and easily create an ADU with its own private entrance. This isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle, and it's waiting for you right here in San Diego's most beloved neighborhood of North Park.